What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is YoManAlberto here with another video, and today's MJ Monday is going to be the Jordan 14 last shot. So first we're gonna actually unbox this, and then we're gonna take a look at the shoe.
What the fuck? What kind of tape is this?
So actually we do not have a Jordan 14, my bad. That's gonna come here pretty soon. But today we actually have a Jordan 1 tie-dye. This is actually the women's colorway, and this did release within, I believe, a week or two ago. It actually released in Europe, I believe, several weeks ago, and then just here to the US just a week or two ago. It retailed for $170, and with taxes here in Washington State, it came out to like $181 or $185. She's actually gonna put these on feet for you guys, and you're gonna see how it looks. Now, at least of the box portion, this is really cool having colors flipped around, you know, for the girls versus the men's. Their boxes are going to be black and red versus red and black. That's pretty cool detail. I like that. So let's open it up. Okay, here's the shoe right here. So I'm actually going to change this color right here in the back right now. There we go. Now the color looks a little better. Honestly, guys, these shoes are pretty sweet. I wanted them in my size as well, but I struck out, couldn't get them. But really quick, let's go over some detail. This tie-dye print on there, it's kind of rough. It feels like canvas in a way. Your swoosh is going to be leather. Your regular panels are going to be leather. Your toe box is nice and soft. It feels like, I don't know, not tumbled leather, but it's pretty soft. Nice black toe box. And then if you go up here on the tongue, so you have black tongue, and then you go up, the patch is going to be white. It's actually not leather though, but it's white with black writing. You have a white midsole, black outsole. Back around, it's nice that it is just you know, plain. Now, as far as sizing on Jordan 1s, you guys always should go your true size. You can manage to go down half a size or up half a size, maybe put some sneaker shields in them as well, but always go your true size of Jordan 1s. As far as the comfort, they're decently comfy. They're not really made for all day wear, but they definitely get the job done. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe. More videos on the way. I post Monday and Thursdays. And if you like my content, please also check out my Instagram at YoManAlberto. I post there every other day, a lot of streetwear content as well. If you guys do appreciate this channel and want to support it, there'll be a donation link in the description. And if you guys do want to cop this shoe, there will be a StockX affiliate link in the description as well for you guys. But yeah, guys, I really do appreciate it. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.